How to add status on WeChat. Want to update your status on WeChat? In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add status on WeChat. Let's get started. First of all, open the WeChat app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in. Now tap on the Me at the bottom right corner. This is where you will find all your personal setting and profile option. Next, you will see an option called Status right below your profile picture. Tap on it to open the status menu. Here you can choose from a variety of preset mode and activities like happy, chilling, traveling and more. You can also type a custom status if you want something unique. Want to make your status more fun? You can add a photo, emoji or even a short video. Tap on cover option, choose from photo, tap on the plus icon, choose photo, tap on done. You are in recent screen, choose your photo and then tap on that's it. Your status will be live for 24 hours and that's it. Now you know how to add a status on WeChat and keep your friends updated. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.